Hello subscribers, welcome to the daily market analysis. Markets yesterday held 16,500 convincingly, and though it was an expiry day, we saw a largely range bound between 16,500 16,600, and in the end, for the last 30 minutes, we saw it closing about 16,600 levels. Now, if I just look at the daily chart, as we have discussed, 200 DMA will be playing a key important role over here, and markets are holding the gaps plus 200 DMA. Now, if I just look at the SGX opening, it is indicating an opening about 16,650 nearly. So 30 points plus as of now when I'm shooting at 7:30 a.m. If you look at if this is the runaway gap, then we may see 16,350 as a key support area for next. Probably the trend momentum continues. And if you remember, I've done a point and figure chart where I've indicated 16,900 can be the target looking at the momentum. Though in yesterday's session we discussed the bearish structure over here, let me put it again over here, and we discuss is the rising channel has been in place and markets are slightly resisting over the rising channel area now. Though we haven't seen a convincing move above the channel so far, the yesterday session more of range bound, and with the Friday's closing and the Monday opening, there is a huge bunch of big giants result: Reliance, Infosys, ICICI Bank, Kotak. So that could be a crucial juncture for Monday's opening. One should keep in mind, and in case if you are an overnight trader, keep at least risk in control, and at least do not leverage your positions, because the giant results maybe some could be extraordinary positive, some could be extraordinary negative. Markets may depend on the all the four results. So now if I look at this juncture over here, the rising channel, still it is been resisting around the channel. Now if I just look at 16,650 is the key opening area for markets, and it's upper band of the channel still. So I believe till 16,000 or the 16,740 750 is not crossed, or if I just look at the previous high 16,800 is not crossed, I think one should stay cautious for on the long side, initiating the fresh longs as of now. Though 16, if I consider it as a runaway gap, 16,360 to 16,000, this was the 480, could be the key support area for bulls. So I will wait for in today's session before initiating a fresh trade. And for me, even I'm looking for a fresh trade, I look for an intraday close, because I don't want to leverage the overnight position considering the four giants. Now, importantly, if I just look at the IT index, which has been convincingly giving a strong momentum, and if we have discussed in this week as well, the IT index have seen a positive divergence on daily chart, and they are coming back very strongly, and that could be the one which could lead. But yes, it is a slightly resistance area. If I just look at the gaps over here, this may put a slight resistance as of now, which is in line with Nifty. If you remember that Nifty resistance is there, but Bank Nifty is slightly outperforming, and Bank Nifty has seen a huge breakout. Yeah, Bank Nifty has seen a breakout over here. It is still resisting around here, though future it has crossed in spot, but future is yet to cross. So if I just look at the spot chart over here, it has crossed the previous highs, but future is yet to cross. So there is a slight resistance there as well. So for today's session, I will definitely wait and watch. I will not initiate the fresh longs, even markets are opening at 30-40 points higher till 16,000, probably 750, say 16,000 not cross. I'll slightly wait for a dip to look for a long opportunity, though even if I may not short at current point of time, but I would definitely look for a dip to accumulate on a long side, because this is a crucial level where the risk reward is not favorable for me. And generally, if we're looking for an intraday move, I will look for 16,680, 670. If it's not sustaining, I'll look for a short opportunity purely from intraday point of view, keeping a stop loss of 16,750. And in case if it closing around 650 640, I'll look and close the trade, because yesterday's low was even slightly higher than if you look at the momentum. Don't consider the opening, but if I look at the momentum, it was 16,516 in future somewhere, 510 or 516 something. So keep a watch on those levels, and I would think it's better to stay sidelines on some days where the risk reward is not favorable on the long side, or probably if you're looking for a short, markets may support, look for a options put buying, or probably if you're looking for a futures, keep a stop loss, strict stop loss, and avoid over leveraging due to the results of four giants. Signing off and have a profitable day.